Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A03 and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message on this device. First of all, select the Messages app and click on one of your chats. Then click on this icon with a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner. Now you can click on your photos right away or tap on Gallery section and select them from here. When you're ready, click on Add at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my pictures were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!